Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, June 12th. And we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. A lot to talk about. First and foremost, I want to thank the three gentlemen who spent 4 nights at my home as I held my first live seminar. It's going to be they set the bar very, very high for the next group that I do most likely in October, as both the interest in learning, how great their personalities were, how respectful they were of my home. We had a really, really great time that accomplished a lot, so I want to thank them. Second, we have a huge week in front of us. We have CPI tomorrow, we have Fed Wednesday, expiration Friday, and rollover pretty much starts in earnest this morning. I am rolling over. We have a huge premium. This is the reason I look at SPY's charts as opposed to ES. Even though SPY is a dividend, it's not as erratic as far as what it does to price in terms of the charts. I do not back adjust, so whatever Friday's high will be, this will be for me a rollover gap. I will use Friday's high as the gap fill from the new contract. So keep that in mind as we go forward. The markets pushed higher last week. We're up in all 3 time frames in the S&P. NASDAQ also trying to push higher this morning. They're above their afternoon rally high from Friday. Righty had a triple distribution day on Friday. Very small set of single prints. They've been trading back and forth through it pre-market. So as far as we go, again, because I don't back adjust my numbers, especially where we are going to be a little tricky for me, because I'm using Friday's high on the old contract as the weekly high, not this high. So I'd love to see this get taken out so I don't have to deal with that as we go forward with the new contract this morning. But that all remains to be seen. More importantly, what are we looking at in terms of trading? Well, again, we're looking to open in balance right now, back and forth through value high. We're trying to open above the afternoon rally high in J. If we're able to do that, you could probably use that as possibly a level where there were sellers on Friday to see if there's buyers there. So if we were to open anywhere around here and pull back, you could probably take a long against Friday's low, see if they hit a bit of a speed bump 2 points lower at the wide POC below us. I am in ones already, so that is 15 wide. Okay, any acceptance below that, I probably would not want to take the heat all the way down to the overnight low, which is another 6 points below. But that's a decent risk reward long, even though the value would be unchanged. On the flip side, again, if we're to push up, and this is all in if the overnight high and low is where we are basically now. But if we were to push up, this is a good risk reward short, even with the higher value, for 2 reasons. They love front running these things. So you have 67 as the overnight high. You have 69.50 as the Friday high on the new contract. So that's a good risk reward short against there and out above. So with the new contract, we're obviously trading above August high. That's why SPY to me, okay, is a lot more reliable on the charts. So those are a couple of early plays. And then just quickly on the chart. So again, SPY had gotten August high on Friday. ES did not in the old contract. Now they're blown above it on the new contract. Bottom line is the monthly is up. Okay? Weekly, up and very healthy coming into this week. And the daily, for sure, blew out of a 5-day balance to the upside. So bulls have a lot going for them, but there is a tremendous amount that could either propel them further or derail this run up. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.